and another one. What's up people, Maynard here, coming to you with a video. This time we are going to be unboxing electronic garden shears. As you know, I do have a secondary gardening channel, and there are certain areas that I cannot use the string trimmer, so I need to order some garden shears. Similar to all my other videos, this one also is not a sponsored video. I bought this product from my own money, and I'm going to be giving you first the unboxing experience and then the product review. As always, I'm using my handy dandy Stanley box cutter. So the item in question is Greenwise 6.4 watt lithium ion powered cordless hedge trimmer. The model number for this particular device is Lima Sierra Sierra 10163. The key features of this are it's a 2-in-1 handheld trimmer with quick blade changing design that doesn't require any tools. So these are the attachments that it has. One is a comb shape, the other one is the regular hedge trimmer. It does look like a small package, but good things come in small packages, I guess. And as a crazy Russian hacker says, safety is #1 priority. Please cut away from yourself, or cut very carefully when you're cutting. And when not in use, fold it back. This opens up. Okay, so the blades are individually wrapped. Earthwise actually has made good product. I have their electronic tiller that I use, and it works perfectly like a charm. I don't have any problem with that. This is the owner manual. Do read it, do follow the instructions that are listed on it. This itself is the unit. It does have a blade cover on it also. This is the charging port over here, and this looks like a LED light assembly thing. Oh wow, it is actually ready to go. Interesting. This is the charge port. This looks like the LED thing. The cover is there too. Okay, this is sharp, so be very careful. So cover it up, but not in use, keep it covered, I guess. This is the power brick. These are the secondary shears. They also have, wow, interesting. They also have a plastic covering. Be very careful when you're taking it off, but this is also extremely sharp. Very carefully insert it back in. And to swap, all you have to do is hold down the button, and that'll drop. Just be careful, because these two buttons are to be pushed, so don't push it. And that's how you take it out. The gear assembly is metallic. The parts on the bottom are also all metallic. They are well greased, with an exception of this one. And this one just snaps right in. So the whole assembly part, there's a small little hole over here, and this goes right here. Just snap it in. Basically just mash it over here, and boom, you hear the click, it's done. Push it and it works. It's not too loud, it's pretty quiet. I don't need to use this one just yet, so I'm going to switch it back up. So take that out, and again put it in and click. Push the button and it works. When you're not using the blade, put it back in the plastic sleeve. That way you can protect it. Do register your product. And again, battery must be charged before first use. 2 or 3 initial charging discharge cycle may be required to achieve maximum runtime capacity. Plug in the battery, charge it up, then use it. Areas where the clipper do shine really well is the place where you cannot have your weed whacker or your lawnmower go in. So what you do is hold down the button and click it. And as you can see, if I'm hitting this, it automatically turns off. So you don't have to worry about it getting damaged. And voila, just like that, it's gone. It just clears away the brush. It's a clear cut. You can take a rake and clean it up. If you miss any, just go back to it. As far as the thickness, branches that are this thick, Look at that. These thick branches, it's able to take out. As far as the unboxing assembly, it's pretty easy, straightforward. It doesn't make too much sound. It is pretty quiet. And even with the battery inside it, it's pretty light to use. The bottom blade does not move, only the top blade moves. So you can be right against the edge and move forward. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions about this product or any other products that I've reviewed on this channel, and I'll be happy to help you out. Alright people, take care, bye, and don't forget to thumbs up.